This is Satrax, and this is how to put a Linux distribution on a pen drive. Which it's not too easy, and what I mean by putting this on a pen drive, which means it acts like an actual hard drive. So pretty much what it does is it boots live. You plug it into any computer and it runs the Linux operating system using the computer and all of its resources, but being able to save all of your files and whatever you decide to do on that Linux distribution onto your thumb drive. And I'm going to show you how to do this today and where to find the software. Okay. This is the USB installer. I got it from pendrivelinux.com. It's a free-based program. As you can see here, it just says set up your selections page and stuff like that. It takes about a half hour to put this on a USB drive. I recommend a 4 gig or a 10 gig or higher as far as a thumb drive. This is the thumb drive I used to put my Linux distribution on, which I'm using Netbook Remix, and that's Ubuntu. All you do is use the drop menu. After you've got your distribution, it shows all the distributions that it will install and put on here for you. And as you can see, there's a lot of them, which there's a lot of Linux distributions to begin with. But like I said, the process on putting it on the thumb drive only takes about a half hour to 40 minutes. But it's worth it because you can take this pen drive and put it into any computer, and it will act as a hard drive all on its own. And now I've already put this on my thumb drive, so I wouldn't have to show you how the whole process works. But it's fairly easy to use and install. So like I said, I got this at pendrivelinux.com. Now I'll show you where I put my distribution on. Now see, it acts as a live disk. The pen drive does. This is my pen drive right here, and I've got a 4 gigabyte one. Now you can get 4 gigabytes for about $8, which in this case I used about approximately 2 gigs to install the OS, my Netbook Remix for Ubuntu, and you can also manage this so you can have 2 gigs for writing space. So then, when you're running your flash drive disk here on any computer, you can save your work. Which, like I said, that little pen drive acts as its own little computer. So you just plug it into any computer and it uses the system resources. And you can boot this like a regular disk or a regular hard drive. And it'll act just like an operating system. I'll see if I can click on it here and show you all the files that it installed. This is the entire OS of Ubuntu Remix for Netbook. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like I said, it's fairly easy to install after you've got the program. You can also go to freedistowatch.com, and that'll show you all the distributions of Linux you can find. Some cost money and then some are free. So you can go to distrowatch.com to check that out and see which Linux OS best fits you. Thank you. Bye.